guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Hotspot and Wi-Fi at the same time. So this is a very simple tutorial, and I don't think you really need to have searched this video in order to know this. But let me just show you for people who actually don't know. You head over to settings by clicking on the gear button. Just turn on your Wi-Fi because that's what we want, right? Next we need to do is head over to portable hotspot, which I think you can find here on connection and sharing. Oh wait, no. it was out there. Wait. Why am I scrolling down? Okay, just head over. Okay, portable hotspot here. Just turn it on, and what happens now is that both your Wi-Fi and your hotspot is turned on, so that when someone joins your hotspot, they should be able to access the Wi-Fi as well. So be careful sharing hotspot to just anyone. Or if this was intentional, then probably really good, because if you don't remember your password to Wi-Fi, then you can share your Wi-Fi this way to other people or your friends. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.